Leafcutter ants are one of the most fascinating and complex societies in the animal kingdom. Their behavior, strength, and unique relationship with a specific fungus are truly amazing. Here are some incredible facts about leafcutter ants. They are master farmers. Leafcutter ants are not eating the leaves they carry. Instead, they are master farmers who use the leaves as a substrate to cultivate a specific species of fungus in underground gardens. This fungus is the colony's primary food source. They even have specialized roles for tending to these gardens, including weeding out rival fungi and protecting their crops from pests. They have a symbiotic relationship with fungus and bacteria. The relationship between the ants and their fungus is a perfect example of mutualism, where both species benefit. The fungus gets a constant supply of fresh leaves in a protected environment, while the ants get their food. What's more, the ants have a symbiotic relationship with bacteria on their bodies that produce antibiotics, which they use to keep their fungus gardens healthy and free from disease. Their colonies are massive and highly organized. Leafcutter ant colonies are some of the largest and most complex animal societies on Earth, second only to humans. A single colony can contain up to 8 million ants and have an intricate network of underground chambers and tunnels, spanning up to 16 feet deep and 50 feet across. These nests contain separate chambers for their fungus gardens, nurseries for the young, and even dedicated garbage dumps. They are incredibly strong. A leafcutter ant can carry a piece of leaf that is up to 50 times its own body weight. For a human, this would be the equivalent of a person carrying 660 pounds while running a marathon. They use their powerful jaws, which can vibrate 1,000 times per second, to saw off pieces of leaves and flowers. They have a specialized caste system. Within a colony, different sizes of ants, called castes, have very specific jobs. The largest are the soldiers who defend the nest. There are also the foragers who cut and transport leaves, and smaller ants that tend to the fungus gardens and care for the young. There are even tiny hitchhiker ants that ride on the leaves being carried by larger workers to protect them from parasitic flies. They are vital to their ecosystem. While they can be a pest to agriculture in their natural habitat, leafcutter ants play a crucial ecological role. By pruning vegetation, they stimulate new plant growth, and their extensive burrowing aerates and enriches the soil, benefiting many plant species. They communicate using vibrations and chemistry. While many ants primarily use chemical signals, pheromones, to communicate, leafcutter ants also use vibrations. They create sound by rubbing parts of their body together, a process called stridulation. They use these vibrations to signal to other ants, for example, to alert them to a good leaf-cutting spot or to warn of danger. These signals travel through the ground and plants, and other ants feel them with specialized sensory organs on their legs. They are the biggest